Winter Venice. So this is the strip over here. Quite a few other casinos, City of Dreams, Sands, and you're probably anxious to get in here. So we will. Poinsettias. So I don't know. Check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. So this is Venetian. And there's a Venetian sign over here, and we're just gonna walk around. They usually have Christmas things up here, so right now it's the winter. Later they'll have fake snow up here as well. So we're just gonna take a little look around. Sometimes they have gondolas out here. And lots of people will sometimes, this is kind of more the backside, so I've walked around here many times. Used to walk out quite a bit because there's a particular bus stop that I used to have to take. And the buses sometimes change routes, so I don't have that anymore. And they'll have different events here. This one is called the Winter Solstice, I believe. Looks like they're gonna start it again. So they must do it every nighttime, each night. Okay, so now we're inside the Venetian. And we're just gonna walk around. For some reason, this camera's turning off. I'm not actually sure why. Okay, so it's having some problems. I don't know, maybe it's the battery, so I'm just gonna change batteries and see what happens. And we're inside the Venetian. I don't know, these GoPro 7s. This is the second GoPro 7 I've had in a year, and now this one's causing problems too. So I don't know what it is. But anyways, we're just filming the outside. And I was hoping it's just a battery. We'll just kind of keep seeing and see if we can keep this thing going. But inside you can see all the shops, so it looks more like a shopping mall than anything. And I'm actually going to be looking for something, but you can kind of get a feel for it. So, okay. It's like a little... So yeah, that's inside the Venetian. Fake skies. Yeah, I think I do film in here, but sometimes when you live here, you don't really think about it so much. You don't think about how odd and peculiar these kind of fakeness is. You actually do, but you don't realize how interesting it might be to a tourist. And we're just gonna keep walking down here. I'm actually looking for something very specific right now. Okay. So we're just going to kind of show you a little bit inside. I'm not going to show a lot, but you can get the idea of what it's like. So basically this is kind of a labyrinth of shops. It looks like a shopping mall, but you have this beautiful canal. Tourists right up and down the canal. There's a lot of money in the casinos. The money kind of funds all the beauty of this place. And I don't know how much money the shopping can make. I can't imagine that many people would shop for this many clothing and then have to bring it home to their hometown with them. Because a lot of the shops, they seem to me like you can get them anywhere. But I don't know. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know what Kurt Geiger is. Maybe it's unique to this part of the world. And it's originally from London, you know? I have no idea. But anyways, this is kind of what it looks like. Lots of people who take pictures everywhere, gondolas. We'll just take a look. You can do this. So, okay. This is basically what it looks like. Another gondola right there, the red one. Okay, so we'll conclude it. I might conclude here, I might turn it back on. But this is basically what inside the Venetian looks like, and you can also see a little bit of outside. And it looks like there's a balloon that went all the way up to the top to the ceiling, and it's just kind of permanently there now. Must be a hot air balloon. Okay. Okay, this is the last bit. This is the Venetian food court. I just got something from this Vietnamese restaurant. We're just gonna look inside here for a second. So yeah, it's food court. And we'll conclude this one for Venetian right here. Okay, conclude this for this Vietnamese food right here. And this looks good. So inside Venetian.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.